What if you could run a fleet of AI agents using a value investing framework designed by Warren Buffett? This week's repos are insane. Hi, I'm Jason, and I'll be your host today as we dive into the absolute best of GitHub. We've got a wild mix ranging from zombie survival games to autonomous hacking agents. The theme today is definitely high leverage. These tools aren't just for coding. They're for building entire systems with almost zero friction. It's honestly one of the best weeks I've seen. Let's get into it. First up is the U3 SDK from SmartlyDressedGames. This is the actual source code for Unturned, which is a massive free open-world zombie survival game. Seeing a production game's internals is actually impressive. It's built on Unity 2022, and it's blowing up right now with over 500 stars just today. Why does this matter? Because it's a goldmine for anyone wanting to learn professional game architecture. The repo even includes demos like adding a heat-seeking missile. You'll need Unity Hub and the specific editor version mentioned in the README. Honestly, the modding community is going to have a field day with this. I'm not gonna lie, seeing 1,700 stars on a framework for a game this popular shows there's a huge appetite for open game dev. It's the perfect way to start your game development journey. Next, we have Awesome Design MD by VoltAgent. This project explores a brand new concept called Design MD, which was originally introduced by Google Stitch. It's a plain text design system document for AI. Forget complex Figma exports. You just drop a markdown file into your project and tell your AI agent to build a matching UI. It's sitting at nearly 100,000 stars, which is absolutely wild. The wild part? It's not just surface level styles. It includes analyzed patterns and design tokens. This is the heart of what people are calling vibe coding, where you describe the look and it just appears. If you are tired of wrestling with CSS components, this curated list is a lifesaver. It captures the design language of popular brands in a way that Claude or GPT can actually understand and execute. Now let's talk about pentagi. This is a fully autonomous AI agent system for complex penetration testing. It's written in Go and it's designed to act as a security research assistant that actually thinks. It supports everything from Ollama to Anthropic and OpenAI. It has gained nearly 20,000 stars total. The idea of an autonomous hacker might sound scary, but for ethical researchers, this is a massive productivity boost. It handles multi-agent supervision and uses GraphQL for its architecture. You can self-host it, and it even has a React-based UI to monitor exactly what the agents are doing during a test. Whether you are into offensive security or just want to automate your company's internal testing, pentagi is one of the most sophisticated use cases of multi-agent systems I've seen in the wild. If you're worried about those hackers, you need How to Secure a Linux Server. This is an evolving guide for hardening your infrastructure. It's a classic that's currently trending again with nearly 29,000 stars. What makes it special? It actually explains why security matters instead of just giving you a list of commands. It covers everything from SSH configuration to Ansible playbooks for automated hardening. It is perfect for the lazy admin because it includes clear sections on identifying your principles and picking the right distribution. It even includes tips on editing config files without making a massive mess. Honestly, every developer who touches a server should have this bookmarked. It's the most comprehensive and readable security guide on GitHub right now. No more excuses for weak SSH setups, friends. Next up is a name you definitely know, Prisma. It's the next generation ORM for Node.js and TypeScript. It has been a staple for years, but it's currently trending with nearly 500 new stars today. Why is it trending now? They've just dropped version 7.8, and the ecosystem around Prisma Postgres is exploding. It makes working with databases feel like you're just writing standard TypeScript code. It supports everything from PostgreSQL and MySQL to MongoDB. The developer experience is just unmatched. If you haven't seen their latest updates, the way they've streamlined schema migrations is actually a massive time saver. It is still the gold standard for type-safe database access. Whether you're building a tiny side project or a massive enterprise app, Prisma is likely going to be in your tech stack in 2026. Now check out OmniRoute. This is a free AI gateway that connects your tools to over 200 providers. The wild part is that it aggregates nearly 90 different free tiers into one endpoint. It uses something called caveman compression to save up to 95% on tokens. It's gained over 4,000 stars this week alone. This tool is basically a cheat code for high LLM costs. You can connect Claude Code or Cursor directly to it. It manages auto fallbacks, so if one provider goes down, your agent keeps working. It's a genuine game changer for developers on a budget. If you're sick of hitting usage limits every hour, you need to check this out. It even works as a PWA and supports multimodal APIs. Honestly, it's one of the most useful utilities for the AI era. Then we have Orca from stablyai. They're calling it an ADE or Agent Development Environment. It lets you run a fleet of parallel agents like Claude Code or Codex side by side. It tracks everything in one place using Git worktrees. It's pulling in nearly 4,000 stars this week. Why does it matter? Because managing 10 different agents in 10 different terminals is a nightmare. Orca gives you a dedicated orchestrator for your agents on desktop and mobile. It's YC backed, and it's quickly becoming the go-to tool for developers who want to move at 10x speed. I love the clean interface and the way it handles orchestration. It's basically a command center for your AI workforce. If you're serious about agentic workflows, you definitely need to give Orca a spin. Finally, we have ai-berkshire. This is a value investing research framework based on the masters like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. It uses multi-agent adversarial analysis to find high-value stocks. The creator claims a 2024 return of nearly 70% using this system. It has gathered almost 4,000 stars. This isn't just a simple bot. It's a structured methodology for professional-grade research. It integrates directly with Claude Code and Codex to turn one person into an entire investment research team. It's actually impressive how they've systematized the qualitative wisdom of the world's best investors into AI prompts. Whether you are a finance nerd or just interested in sophisticated prompt engineering, this repo is a masterpiece. It proves that AI agents can do so much more than just write boilerplate code for us. That is all for today's trending list. A massive thank you to all the open source contributors pushing these projects forward. Which one are you trying first? I'm Jason, and I will see you tomorrow.